Hi friends, welcome to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be the random things I found at Dollar Tree. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First is this mini clipboard notepads. It comes in different designs and colors. They're perfect for writing notes when there is no hard surface available. Next is this 2021 desk calendar so you can get a head start on next year. This sheet grippers to keep your bed sheets from sliding off at the corners. And I found these baby-proof items for your house. First, I found these corner covers, great for covering those furnitures that have sharp edges. This cabinet lock. This outlet covers. Doorknob covers. Gold wire baskets that comes in different sizes and shapes, great for storage and organization. This acrylic makeup organizer that comes in different designs. Cleansing facial scrubber. Another design for facial scrubber that comes in 2 pieces. This hot and cold eye pads, shampoo brush, this shower brush for your back. They also have nice phone cases. And I found these cute checkered coffee cups, water bottle, and plates perfect for fall season. These coasters that has different sayings on it. These cute brushes that has sparkly handles. Mesh laundry bags ideal for delicates and hand washable clothing. This set of nail polish. These hooks that I use to hang my towels, keys, and mask. No screws needed for this, so this is ideal for people who are living in apartments. And lastly guys, I found this whitening pen that is all over TikTok. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed my mini haul. See you guys again on my next video. Bye!